Hello friends and welcome in the another episode of DIY Master. And in this video, first ever I am going to unbox something. Actually this is the DIY based activity channel, and in this channel most of the things which I have done it was DIY. But since it's our first time after declaring that Make in India is an important things to empowering the Indian economy by the Honorable Prime Minister. So this is the Indian Micromax, N12, N12. It's a 4G handset, and since Micromax is the only Indian company who is surviving now these days in the era of Chinese manufacturing phone. So after waiting for 2-3 days, I just recently got this phone through delivery boy from Amazon. So let's open it without wasting time. So the first thing which we need to understand, okay, so this is the way this box open. Okay, not this way. So the guys, the reason why I have choose this phone is it has two major reason actually. The first thing is the made in India, and the second thing is I don't like the big phone. So this is the Amazon tax invoice. You can see Micromax Infinity N12 Blue Lagoon 3GB 32GB. That's a phone, and the price is 8,799. This is the actually invoice, and this is the maybe delivery challan or something like. Anyway, so the thing this the auxiliary box, and the main box for the phone is that you can see it has notch display, dual camera. You can take the stereoscopic image, or you can say 3D image with the help of this camera. 16 megapixel selfie camera, that is a great thing. And 720 into 1500 pixel HD display. Well, that's not full HD, but yes, it's display, HD display. And the notch display ratio, octa-core processor, 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM, and 13 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera with flash, 16 selfie camera with flash, and battery. That's the another key factor of this phone actually. You can see 4000 mAh battery, dual SIM VoLTE, that's also great. Light proximity accelerator sensor, fingerprint sensor, Android Oreo, and that's another thing which attracts me, the latest OS. And the Infinity N series, this is how the phone looks like. So now without wasting the time, let's open the box and see what's inside it. Okay, so here we got, so this is we can keep that thing beside. And now from this side you can see the seal is unbroken. Now it's broken. So here the things, you can see the main mobile handset. Now you can see this looks great. So the first thing which let's boot first, and we will count the boot time, as well as meanwhile we will unbox the rest of the things. So so the boot time begins. We will keep that phone here, and now we will during. Meanwhile, we will unbox the rest of the things inside the box. Nothing. That's a user manual, and most of the time we don't read it. Okay, that's great. That's screen guard protector. This must be a charger. Okay, so we can see that I'm able to see that the charger of 1500 milliamp. You can also able to see it 1500 amp milliamp charger. Okay, the boot time is really quick. 3 second maybe. Okay, we will start it, but let's unbox the rest of the things either. So that's the SIM key and lock, and you can see few more things. Okay, so this is the hand-free cable, and this is the charge cable. So these are the things which comes with the Micromax N12. Okay, I should keep those things in the box. Now let's start the first boot. English, of course, United States. Okay, connect to the mobile network, skip Wi-Fi. Okay, so here's the thing, we can connect this. Okay, so our phone is now connected with the Wi-Fi, and set up a new. I believe that the phone is really quick. Usually after connecting for internet, or you can see the first time when we boot the phone, it takes lots of time. I have experience of unboxing very lots of mobile handset. Okay, we can skip this step, don't want to, or we can add this in a later. So the phone name is Vinod. Let's say Vinod. Okay, Vinod. Okay, fingerprint को भी हम skip. You can skip this phone. I mean, the most of these steps we are skipping just because this phone belongs to my younger brother, and I have only rights to unbox it, not to use it much. Anyway, not now. Skip anyway. Okay, not now. Skip anyway. More. Accept. No thanks. So okay, next. Wow, just look at the screen, and these are the pre-installed apps. So the first thing which any phone user wants to know, the quality and the hardware which is inside the phone. The first thing which we want to know, the about phone system. Okay. User guide. What is that? User guide. Okay, that's a PDF. User guide. Don't want to see user guide. Okay, is system about the phone. So these are the things, and Notch Android version. Okay, so that's Oreo. Anyway, let's get back to. So this is the confirmation of OS, and now let's see the camera quality. and for that we can use, you know, this sort of, you can see the phone, and now we are going to take the picture with zoom. Okay, so let's zoom in. Now you can see the image is quite okay, and since it's you know, the lighting condition is not that much healthy for, you know, for taking good images. And now, okay, so let's take selfie. Okay, now also analyze the picture quality. Okay, the picture quality is good. So guys, this is the things which I wanted to show first time in my DIY channel. I hope you enjoy that video, and if you like that phone, you can also buy with the link below, and keep supporting the Indian brands. Thank you very much for watching us.